Hello everyone! Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write an elementary teacher application letter, step by step, in a very simple and clear way. I'll explain what each paragraph is about, why it is important, and give you helpful tips so you know exactly what to write when it comes to your own letter. So let's start from the beginning. Before we go into the letter, let me first explain what an elementary teacher application letter is. An elementary teacher application letter is a formal letter written to a school to apply for a teaching position at the elementary level. This letter introduces you as a teacher, highlights your teaching experience, explains your teaching approach, and shows the school why you are a good fit for their students and learning environment. This letter usually goes together with your resume and other documents, and it plays a big role in whether you get called for an interview or not. Now, let's walk through the letter from top to bottom. We begin with the sender's details at the top of the letter. This part includes your full name, your complete address, your email address, and your phone number. This information tells the school who you are and how they can contact you easily. Even though your resume has these details, you still need to include them in the letter because a professional letter must be complete on its own. In this letter, the sender details are written like this: Emily Watson, 2841 Meadowbrook Drive, Madison, WE 53711. Email: emily.watson@email.com. Phone: 608-515-7842. When you write your own letter, always make sure your email looks professional and your phone number is correct, because this is how the school may reach you. Next comes the date. The date shows when you wrote the letter. This is important for record purposes and professionalism. Always write the full date. In this example, the date is written as date, March 15th, 2026. Always use the correct and current date when submitting your application. After that, we write the receiver's details. This section shows who the letter is addressed to and where it is being sent. It usually includes the job title, the school name, and the school's address. This tells the reader that the letter is written specifically for them, not copied and sent everywhere. In this letter, the receiver's details are: hiring manager, Oakwood Elementary School, 612 West Evergreen Avenue, Middleton, Wisconsin 53562. Next is the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter. It helps the reader quickly understand why you are writing. In this letter, the subject line is: Subject, application for elementary teacher position. Keep your subject line short, clear, and professional. Now, let's talk about the salutation, which is very important. The salutation is how you greet the reader politely. In formal application letters, always use a respectful greeting. If you don't know the person's name, "Dear Hiring Manager" is perfectly fine. In this letter, the salutation is written as: Dear Hiring Manager. Never skip the salutation. It sets the professional tone for the entire letter. Now we move into the main body of the letter, starting with the first paragraph. The first paragraph is your introduction. This paragraph explains why you are writing and briefly highlights your experience and confidence as a teacher. It should clearly state the position you are applying for. Why this paragraph is important is because it creates the first impression. The reader should immediately know who you are and what role you want. Tips for this paragraph: be confident, clear, and straight to the point. Don't over-explain yet. In this letter, the entire first paragraph is written like this: I am writing to apply for the elementary teacher position at Oakwood Elementary School. With over 5 years of experience teaching at the elementary level and a strong commitment to creating a supportive and engaging classroom environment, I am confident in my ability to contribute positively to your school community. This paragraph clearly states the position, mentions experience, and shows confidence, which is exactly what you want. Now let's move to the second paragraph, which focuses on your experience and responsibilities. This paragraph explains what you do as a teacher. You talk about your current or previous role, your teaching tasks, classroom management, lesson planning, and how you support student learning. This paragraph is important because it shows the school what you can actually do in the classroom, not just what you believe. Tips for this paragraph: use action words, be specific, and focus on teaching-related skills. In this letter, the entire second paragraph is written as, "In my current role at Green Valley Primary School in Madison, I design lesson plans aligned with state curriculum standards, manage classroom activities, and assess student progress to support academic and personal development. I place strong emphasis on differentiated instruction, positive behavior support, and active parent communication." This paragraph clearly shows experience, responsibility, and teaching skills, which schools really value. Next is the third paragraph, which is about your passion and teaching philosophy. This paragraph explains why you love teaching and why you want to work at this specific school. It helps the school understand your personality, values, and motivation. Why this paragraph is important is because schools want teachers who care, who connect with students, and who match the school's values. Tips here: show genuine passion, keep it sincere, and mention something positive about the school. In this letter, the entire third paragraph is written like this: I am passionate about fostering a love of learning in young students and creating inclusive classrooms where every child feels valued. Oakwood Elementary School's dedication to student-centered learning strongly aligns with my teaching philosophy, and I would welcome the opportunity to bring my skills and enthusiasm to your school. This paragraph connects personal passion with the school's mission, which makes the application stronger. Now, let's look at the final body paragraph, also known as the closing paragraph. This paragraph politely asks for an interview, thanks the reader, and shows interest in further communication. Why this paragraph is important is because it ends the letter professionally and confidently. Tips for this paragraph: be polite, appreciative, and positive. In this letter, the entire closing paragraph is written as, I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to further discuss how I can support your students and staff. This is a perfect example of a respectful and professional closing. After that, we end the letter with the closing phrase and signature. The closing phrase is usually, sincerely, followed by your signature and your typed name. In this letter, it is written as, sincerely, signature, Emily Watson. This completes the formal structure of the letter. Before we finish, here are some overall tips and reminders for writing an elementary teacher application letter. Always keep your letter clear, professional, and honest. Make sure your letter matches your resume. Avoid spelling and grammar mistakes because attention to detail is very important in teaching. Most importantly, let your passion for working with children come through naturally in your writing. And that's how you write an elementary teacher application letter, step by step, with confidence and clarity. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more easy and practical writing guides. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. See you on the next video.